Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature on LinkedIn that allows you to show your additional name to your connections. This can be particularly handy if you want to display a maiden name, nickname, or any other name that reflects your identity. Let's walk through the updated steps to make this happen. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, head to your App Store and download it. Once you're in the app, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing your profile settings. After tapping on the Me icon, you'll see several options. Click on Settings to proceed. This will take you to a menu where you can adjust various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. Here, you'll find different settings related to your profile and account management. Under the Profile Information section, look for an option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this option to continue. Now, you'll see your current name settings. To add or edit your additional name, click on the Edit icon next to your name details. This will open up fields where you can enter your additional name. Once you've entered your additional name, look for the section labeled Choose Visibility under the Additional Name field. This is crucial because it determines who can see this information. Select your connections if you want only your connections to view this additional name. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. Your additional name is now set up and will be visible to your chosen audience. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your LinkedIn profile and ensure that it accurately represents who you are. Whether it's a former name or a nickname, showing this additional name can help foster better connections and recognition within your professional network. Thank you for tuning in.